Hi, to record screen on your CMF phone one, you just need to swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. And here swipe left to find this icon with circle and dot in it, which is for screen recordings. Just tap it once and now we can adjust its settings. For example, if we are in a single app option, you can enable to record audio. But before you do this, you can tap here and choose either device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone. So for example, device audio will record only music on your phone, notification sound, and so on, just media on your device. Microphone will record your voice, and both of them will record both of them. So now we can enable it by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, when we choose a single app setting, then it means that Android has access to anything shown or played on that app. So be careful with things like passwords, payment details, messages, photos, and so on. But we can tap here and switch to entire screen. And now, except audio, we can enable show touches on screen as well. And after that, you can immediately start recording. Then you'll see those 3 seconds countdown, and after that, your recording will be started. You can also see where I'm tapping on the screen because it is represented like a white dot. And to stop recording, just swipe down. Here, tap stop, like that, and now it is saved. So to find it, you can open your Google Photos, for example, or you can open this Files app and find it right here in Screen Recordings folder. And yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.